Hi everyone, I'm Dinara, Senior Sales Manager at London Student Accommodation Agency, and today we are happy to welcome you in North Lodge, our best value property in our portfolio. We at Londonist are proud to have won numerous awards for the quality of student accommodation, but most importantly, we listen to what our students need, and therefore today we will be happy to guide you through our best competitively priced property, Londonist North Lodge. So what are the top reasons of choosing Londonist North Lodge? First of all, it's one of the most conveniently located student residences in London, only 3 minutes away from Tottenham Hale Tube Station and only 20 minutes away from Oxford Circus. It's also a part of sustainable urban village with bakery, shops, all amenities nearby. Students will have access to indoor and outdoor space and will benefit from reasonably priced en-suites.
Right now we're in the reception area, and behind me are the lovely ladies who work for the reception. So if you receive a big parcel, they take it, and then when you come back home later on, you can grab your post and parcels and letters from them. So it's all safe and secure. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
So I'm Alice, I'm the student team leader here at North Lodge. So welcome to North Lodge.
Thank you, I love this space, it's so cool.
Thank you, we try our best.
Yeah. Do you enjoy working here?
I absolutely love working here. It's a great environment. The great thing about North Lodge is we're a small team, big environment, but it's cozy and community. So I love that fact about North Lodge.
Wow, love it. Okay,
Yeah.
so we were talking about this app. Tell me a little bit more about that.
Yes, so with the app, it gives you the ability to talk to your flatmates before you arrive. So you can open it up to your floor, or you can open it up to your flat, whatever your preference is. It's available on the App Store and on the Android store. So that you can also get your parcel notifications on there. And also you can log your maintenance requests on there as well. And also if you have like any issues during the evening, so you can also contact the emergency control center through there.
Wow, let's talk a little bit more about this mailing system. I suppose
Yes.
if you order something from Amazon or you do some shopping, you're out, there's no one to collect it.
We're your guys to collect it. I feel like Amazon's sort in office, but it'll be my team or Anisa, we'll collect it for you, we'll send you a notification, and we'll keep it there until you can collect it. Evening or morning, whatever you're ready. So it's one of those things.
Amazing. And what if someone has like a late night emergency? Can they come or talk to someone?
Yes, so we're available 24/7. So you'll always find a member of the Unite team on site. If we're not in the office and the shutter's down, you have the app, so you can log it on there. Or you'll see a little signpost that says, here's our duty phone number. We're around, just give us a call or a text, and we're likely to just be on another lockout, which is typical, really.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much. Lovely
That's
meeting
all right, you too.
Thanks.
That's all right.
Hi, my name is Umang from Londonist. As you exit your residence, you'll come into this beautiful courtyard here where you can enjoy with your friends. Come with me. As you can see here, beautiful plants to enjoy with your friends. We've got this beautiful seating area where you can come with your friends, have a lovely lunch, have a nice drink and enjoy the summer. This is a beautiful space for you to enjoy with your friends, so please come down to our North Lodge residence.
Hello everyone, Mustafa here from London Student Accommodation Agency. We provide numerous amount of additional services to our students. You'll find flasks, notepads, agenda, pens and calendar for your up in your check-in, including Londonist bag. We provide additional services such as airport transfers, bathroom packs, kitchen packs, bedding packs, and student insurance. If you would like to find out more, just get in touch with us and we'll assist you further. Thank you.
With North Lodge, it is really easy to walk to Tottenham Hale Station and to get the Victoria line and take the train into central London. It only takes a few minutes to walk there as well. But maybe you don't want to take public transport, you want to be environmentally friendly, you can buy a bicycle and you can store it here in the bike storage, which is really, really secure. It's amazing, and you can just grab your bicycle, cycle into central London. So right now we're in the common room and there are so many facilities here that you can make use of. Behind me there's some vending machines in the middle of the night, want some snacks, a cold drink, and if you're feeling a little bit competitive, you can play a game of pool with your friends. Here you can watch some television and chill out on the sofas and meet up with your friends. It's all available and easily accessible for you if you stay at North Lodge.
The common area also has a lovely study space for you to study if you want a quiet area to come with your friends.
If you need to print something, there is also a printing machine.
Here at Londonist, we have an international student base. We know security is imperative for all of you. We have a 24-hour security here at our Londonist North Lodge residence. You will only be able to enter the residence with your own key card.
Here at Londonist North Lodge, you will benefit from our award-winning customer support of Londonist operations team, ongoing maintenance team, on-site support system.
Now let's take a tour in one of the bedrooms. Oh, this looks so lovely. Look how spacious this is. There's so much natural light. And this would be your desk where you can study. Wow, this is a good sized bed. I mean, you could really comfortably sleep here. It looks nice and clean. Let's have a look at the bathroom. You've got your shower, enough space to put your towels. It all looks nice and lovely and clean. I give this room a rating of 10 out of 10. We've had a look around the bedrooms and you didn't see a washing machine. So where can you do your laundry? Follow me. Ta-da! Here are all the washing machines and drying machines if you may need to do some laundry.